Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone running iOS 17. If you're experiencing issues with not receiving phone calls on your iPhone running iOS 17, it can be frustrating. But in this video I will tell you some troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this problem. First of all, you have to do is check two things: do not disturb mode and silent mode. Make sure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen to open the control center. You can see your option do not disturb mode. If you have enabled it by accident, then you have to disable it. And after this, you have to also make sure that the silent mode is also disabled. After checking these two steps, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to your settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then our next step is update the iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to open your software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After this and you're still facing the issue, then our next step is check call forwarding. You have to go to your settings, go to phone. Now after this, go to call forwarding and you have to make sure that it's turned off. If call forwarding is enabled, incoming calls may be redirected to another number. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply check airplane mode. Ensure that your iPhone is not in airplane mode as it disables cellular connectivity. You can check this in control center like this. If it is enabled, then you have to disable it. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. You have to open your settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.